Every human being lies. But the most dangerous lies aren't the ones we tell others. They're the ones we tell ourselves. It's easy to think of delusion as something bad, as something only crazy people have. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Self-delusion is not always weakness. Sometimes it's survival. Think about it. Every great dream starts as a form of self-delusion. You believe you can do something that logic says you can't. You convince yourself you're good enough before the world agrees. And in that tiny space between truth and illusion, human potential is born. Because sometimes you have to believe the lie before you can make it real. The truth can be too heavy, too harsh, too painful. So the mind bends reality, just enough for us to keep going. That's why the student believes they'll pass, even when the odds say no. It's why the artist keeps painting, even when no one notices. It's why the broken-hearted still believe they'll love again. Call it delusion, or call it hope. It's the same energy, the refusal to surrender to reality too soon. But here's where it gets dangerous. Self-delusion has two sides. One builds you. The other destroys you. The first kind helps you grow. It tells you you can still change. The second keeps you stuck. It whispers, "You're fine," even when you're not. That's the dark side of delusion. When people lie to themselves so much that they stop improving, when they pretend their habits are fine, their relationships are healthy, their goals are realistic, when deep down they know the truth, the mind becomes its own prison. You start defending your own excuses. You start mistaking comfort for peace. And slowly your potential dies. Not from failure, but from false belief. So, what's the balance? Use self-delusion as a tool, not a trap. Let it push you forward, but don't let it blind you. Believe in what doesn't exist yet, but be honest about what does. That's the real power of self-delusion. It's not pretending forever. It's pretending long enough to make the impossible possible. So, lie to yourself, but only in the direction of growth. Tell yourself you can heal, you can learn, you can rise, even when it doesn't feel true yet. Because one day, if you keep moving, away that beautiful lie will become your truth.